Hi guys, welcome back to the channel if you are already subscribed, and welcome if you are new here. This channel covers a variety of things from Pandora, Disney Parks, and delicious food and live events. So if any of that interests you, be sure to subscribe and share this content with anyone else who enjoys these things as well. Thank you so much, and back to the video. Joe and I are catching up on last season's Dancing with the Stars because we stopped watching it for some reason, and now I want to catch up before the new season comes back in the fall. So that's what you guys may hear in the background. And here we have our Disney store purchase. It's the Disney Parks collaboration of Pandora, so I cannot wait to show you guys. So this is inside. Look, they just put this tiny box in this one huge big box. This is actually my first official Disney Parks and Pandora collaboration exclusive charm. So I'm very excited about this. It makes me so happy to be able to do this. I love collecting these charms. Joe is probably tired of hearing me talk about it so much, but it is something I truly enjoy. So here it is. It is the Disney Parks collaboration with Pandora, and I picked out the Mickey and Minnie on the teacup. Oh my god, if you guys watch any of our other videos, Joe and I love the teacups ride. It is like one of our favorite rides at Magic Kingdom. And it's just so cute to see Joe like in his face. You can see him losing his mind whenever I'm spinning him faster and faster. So when I look at this charm, I think about all of the fun times that Joe and I have together in the parks, and it just makes me super happy. I did see someone else in the Pandora community do an unboxing, and it was with Donald and Daisy, and I was like, oh my god, I love that. I need to have it. I'm forgetting the name of the channel right now, but if I remember it, I will go ahead and slip it in the video here. That way you guys can check it out too. And here it is. It's so cute. You can see Mickey and Minnie kissing, and it's just amazing, the attention to detail. This is such a small charm, and the fact that it's so intricately designed and created is amazing. I love the red enamel. It definitely flips a lot. Let's see. So you can see the attention to detail. You can see the red enamel. It matches perfectly with Minnie's bow, the heart that's on the actual teacup. And then you can see the pink enamel at the bottom. I just love this so much. It makes me so happy. It makes me want to go to Magic Kingdom and get on the teacups and just keep spinning and get in that line. That's one of the shortest queues as well at the Magic Kingdom here in Disney World. But it's just, I love this charm so much. And I'm so happy I didn't miss out on it, because I almost looked at it and I thought, I'm not sure if I would get this one. But it was only because whenever I was looking at it, I didn't know if I would actually enjoy it as much in person. And then, sometimes the photos on the website, it's hard to make out what it looks like in person. And then I saw the other channels unboxing, and I was like, oh my god, I love that. It is so cute. It looks even better in person. So here is the charm from the top, and you can see Minnie's bow. You can see they're kissing. You can see she's wearing her dress. You can see Mickey is keeping his hands a safe distance. And you can see the enamel up close. And you also can see where it says Disney Parks inscribed on the side of the teacups. It's just so charming. And here you see at the very bottom of the teacup, it says Disney. And I just love that they took the time to inscribe the castle. You can see that there are stars all around. or maybe not stars for you, but maybe fireworks to someone else. And it's just so whimsical. I just love this so much. It reminds me of Alice in Wonderland, this charm itself, which is one of my favorite books actually. I just love how, like, the nonsense that happens in that book. Everything is nonsensical. Everything is just like crazy. It doesn't really seem to have like a direction in the story, and I love that because it shows true fantasy and just true imagination. So it's one of my favorite books to read. And here we have my purchase from the store. I can't wait to show you guys what we actually got engraved. It is such a beautiful charm. I just can't wait to show you guys. So here it is, guys. It says Brittany and Joey. I always call Joe Joey. And I love this charm because it's engraved. And I have another inscription on the back. But I always like the look of tattoos. I always think that tattoos look really cool. I'm not one of those people that, like, I personally don't have any tattoos. My mother raised my sister and I where it's like your body is your temple, so you don't really do like tattoos or a bunch of like crazy piercings to it. So I don't have any, but I always like the look of them. So I'm going on and saying this because this is my version of a tattoo. It's like you get it engraved. It's something that's a keepsake. It's jewelry. It's beautiful. And it just reminds me of Joe and I and our very long and happy relationship. We've been together for like almost 15 years. I met him when I was very young. So it's been nice to just have someone like grow together, do things together with, and I just wanted something that commemorated that relationship. And on the back here it says love, because that's what we are. We're love embodied. And here is the bail, and it has the CZs along the top, and it just looks very similar to like the Tiffany Co Jewelry. Speaking of which, I actually want to show you guys my Tiffany jewelry. So here are the two pieces of Tiffany jewelry that I got when I was younger, like in high school. My mom would always ask us like what we wanted for Christmas, and one year I was like, you know what, I would really like a Tiffany necklace. And my mom was just like, okay. And so I told her, I was like, but I don't want you to like go and get it without me. Like, I want to go with you for the experience. And it's so funny because Joe teases me now anytime I say I want to do something for the experience. And he's like, yeah. And then like sometimes it doesn't work out as wonderfully as I would like it to. And I'm just like, oh my God, I can't believe that happened. And he's like, well, you wanted the experience. So now anytime I say that, I just start laughing because it's like an inside joke that he and I have. But I will show you guys the two pieces that I got from my lovely mother. And these are actually retired pieces. So they no longer sell these items in store. I'm not sure of the one item in particular, but definitely the necklace. The bracelet, I'm not sure. They may still have it, but I don't believe they carry either of these anymore. So I'll go ahead and show you guys. So this is a suede pouch. It's not the microfiber suede that they do now with the luxury items. This one is actually suede. Before Joe and I moved to Florida, I went and got my jewelry cleaned, and I remember it is complimentary at Tiffany Co. If you go there They have everything, like you just go and you say you want your jewelry cleaned, you can drop it off. It's a very nice service. It doesn't take very long, and you receive an email whenever it's done. But whenever I dropped it off and I brought it in with this bag, she's like, keep this bag. We will never ask for this bag. This is a collector's item. And I was just like, oh wow. She said, we don't make these anymore. So I feel very special that I got this some time ago, whenever, you know, companies still maintain that quality. And here it is. This is the Return to Tiffany Co collection. This is my serial number, so it is registered to me. And here is the chain. I believe the chain or the necklace itself is, let's see, let me measure it. So this chain is 45 inches. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's like pretty long, and they have like a different style now, and the chain is like very, very thin. Like it's nowhere near the same quality. I do still really like Tiffany jewelry. It's just I'm a little bit more particular about which some of their styles, because it's like when you have some of their vintage pieces and you do a comparison, it does make you feel kind of like, oh, I wish they would have made it like how they used to, but it's still very nice jewelry. And let's see, this is the bracelet, also in the vintage collectible suede pouch. Let's see, and here it is. This one is called the Venetian Link. I wanted the stuff that, or the styles that were not super popular, not very trendy. Typically, if I do get higher luxury items, I like them to be more classic pieces that I can wear for years and years to come. And this one is one of them. Here it has like the 925, which any of the sterling silver items, even with Pandora, it has the 925 inscribed there. So this is a beautiful piece of jewelry. Let's see. It does say Tiffany Co there on the tag, and it has the lobster claw clasp, which is very secure. I've never had any issues with any of this or any of these pieces coming off. They clean very well. I even cleaned them in the Pandora jewelry cleaner. So I'll actually clean my jewelry now. And these boxes, I've had them for so long and they have held up so well. And I don't ever want to get rid of them. As I keep mentioning, it's like more like a collector's item. So I'm very, very grateful that my mom was so kind, so generous, so loving, purchased these for me when I was younger. So here is my Pandora jewelry kit. I do also have the clasp opener, and you guys will see my polishing cloths are so filled with the tarnish, the residue from the tarnish. So here is the clasp opener. I love this. I think it looks so cute. I was really surprised that it came with this when I picked up my jewelry cleaning kit, and I have officially hit gold status. So you get 30% off. I mean, we would all be screaming. You get 20% off, but it's available 90 days after you've hit gold. It like this, and I like kind of grip it pretty tightly, and then it looks pretty good. And I also am like obsessed with seeing if any more tarnish has been added. Like I'll look for a clean spot and then I just like look to see. So let's see. just a little bit of new tarnish added, and I feel like, yes, you kept the bracelet super clean now. So it looks pretty good. And once that's been finished, then I'll lay it down on another piece of paper towel for it to air dry further. And then I just repeat this step for the rest of my jewelry. For this charm, that is the engravable one, it has the S925 for sterling silver, and then the founder's name ALE on, or their initials on the bail, and nothing on this side. I really love this charm. It's one of my new favorites. So given my new charms that I have in place now with the new addition of the heart engraving charm, which for me will be the center and like focal point of my bracelet, even though it's a smaller dangler, it has the most meaning to me, so that's why it's centered. And then I want to balance it out with the characters of my two favorite princesses, for Tiana and Ariel on either side, and then continuing like the dangler of every other spacer as a dangler. There's the 50th anniversary, and then there's Oswald the Lucky Rabbit, and then there's my Teacups Ride charm at the end, and then there is the White Walker, House of Slytherin, and then the Hogwarts crest. So let's see how this looks on. Okay, and this is what it looks like, kind of like out in the open. I really love how clean everything looks. Like, that is a really good kit. And I love how it says love on the back of the charm. It just looks really cool. I'm very happy with the way this has turned out.